Hey guys, it's Nikki, and today I am going to be doing a review slash makeup tutorial, which I know I just uploaded one of these a couple weeks ago. I wanted to do another one. For this one, I am using Woosh Beauty's products, and I'm going to be using their Fold Out Face Palette, and I'm going to use one of their lip glosses. So let's just get on into the video. So first I'm using the Perfectors, and I'm going to be using the light shade to highlight and the second shade to contour. So basically the lighter shade will be going in the places where you would normally highlight your face with concealer, and the darker shade's going to go where I would usually bronze. Start off the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the base shade to set my lids. So now I'm going to use the number 2 brush in the brush set, and I'm going to put the sparkly shade on my lid. And for the crease, I'm going to start with a contour shade because they don't have a matte brown in the eyeshadow area, so I'm just using this as my eyeshadow crease shade. I'm going to keep applying the shimmer shade just because it kind of dulls down the shimmer after I've done my crease. So I just add some more shimmer, and then I'm going to go in with the black shade, and I'm going to be making kind of a wing, and then I'm going to wing it out to the crease so that it makes an outer V shape. If you buy this palette, you can definitely use the black as a liner. I just prefer a liquid liner. Do you see how flawlessly and easy that black just blends out? I think it's amazing. Now I'm going to take the 4-5 brush, and I'm going to be using that to apply my blush and blend it out. And it was very pink at first, but once you blend it out, it turns into a gorgeous shade. So now I'm going to take the number 3 brush to contour my face. So this brush definitely made it to where it was a very sharp line, so I ended up going in with the 4-5 brush later on, and I ended up liking that brush way better, but this one does look really good for if you're wanting a pretty precise line. So now I'm going to take this shimmer highlight shade, and I'm going to highlight all over my face. I'm using the number 2 brush to apply the highlight into my inner corners, onto my brow bone and my nose, and then I'm going to set my face with some powder before I highlight the rest of the areas. And for highlighting, I'm going to use the 4-5 brush on my face. So now I'm going to do my liquid liner with my all-time fave Lorac Front of the Line Pro. For brows, I'm using my Benefit Precisely My Brows. For lips, I'm going to go in with my Woosh lip gloss. Now I'm going in with a little bit of mascara. And now I'm going to go in with my Book of Lashes Volume 1 lashes. And that is the finished natural glam. So this is the fold out palette, and this is what it looks like. This is the box that it comes in. It looks like this, just opens up like that, and it has what all's in it. So right here is the palette that you have, and then there's a brush, and the brush is not just 2 brushes, it's 4. This thing is so cool. It's 4 in 1, and I think that's amazing. I think these brushes are so cool, and they're super soft. Like, so this is what the palette looks like. Really nice packaging. So right here there's a thing that is where you pull up, and here is the first side, and then here is the second side. On the first side you have your perfectors, which are basically like concealer slash foundation. For me, these matched pretty good. This one was a little bit light, so it's good for a concealer, and this one was like just a tad bit darker than my skin, so it was really good for a contour, which I don't have the same makeup on as I did whenever I filmed this earlier, because the intro and outro for this was so blurry the first time I filmed it, and I didn't realize it until after, like, the next day. So now I'm here filming it again. But those are really nice. They matched really good, so I really like these. The next thing is the eyeshadows, which were really nice. The only thing is, the only crease shade they really have is black or this sparkly brown one, and I don't do sparkle in my crease just because I don't find it looks flattering on me, and I just not for me. For me, I used one of the contours as my eyeshadow, which worked out perfect. This black is actually really nice. I really like this. This is the first black shade I've ever really liked. It's not the type of black shade that just gets too much black, because most of the black shades that I have in my palettes, they're just easy to go overboard with, and then all of a sudden you come out with panda eyes instead of like a nice smoky look, you know? So I really do like this one. It's really easy to use. The contours are really nice. I use this one for highlighting, like just powder highlight in the areas where I want it to be a little bit darker. I do use self-tanners, so sometimes my face doesn't match my neck after I use a foundation, so I have to use a darker powder to make it look like it matches. So this contour is spot on. Great shade for me. I really like this, and it's hard for me to find good powder contours that I like, so I really do like this one. On the second side of this kit is, this side has blushes and a highlight. So I'm not sure how I feel about this one. I didn't end up trying this one, but it's kind of purple, and I'm not the biggest fan of purple ones. I like more natural blushes, so I barely used this one and it made a really pretty color, but it is really beautiful. I really like it. The highlighter is a really good highlight. This palette is perfect for every day. It's definitely really subtle. It's not a boom in your face highlight. I built it up a lot because I like a blinding highlight and it was not blinding enough for me. So if you like a really blinding highlight, then this highlight might not be exactly what you're looking for, but it is really beautiful. And you can definitely build it up to what you want. Like, this is not what that one looks like. This one's like super in your face, but the other one's just kind of like a sheen glow, like just a little bit of a glow throughout your skin, which if you like that, that's great for like every day. This palette is really good for every day. The next thing are the blenders, and these are really nice for just setting your face, and I really did like these. I didn't even know this, but there's a mirror in here too. I had the instructions over the first part, so I didn't even see it. In here there comes with a little book that shows you some different makeup looks that you can make with it. This palette is really great for on the go. If you're needing to go to work in a hurry and you're not done with your makeup, just throw this in your bag, you're ready to go. Like, just put a couple extra things in a makeup pouch and you're ready. The only things this doesn't have is eyeliner, mascara, and eyelashes, and a brow pencil and lipstick. So if you need those things, you'll have to take those with you. Honestly, if you have brown eyebrows or black eyebrows, then you could definitely still use this. For your eyebrows, I just prefer a pencil over powder. It's honestly your preference on it. But overall, I give this palette a 10 out of 10 because it is perfect for everyday looks and for just getting ready easily and fast. Like, I think it took me an hour to get ready, and that's honestly really fast for me because I do a lot when it comes to makeup. After you use it a while, it would get down to like 30 minutes tops maybe. That's really cool. I really like this palette. I think you guys would like it too. If you're trying to invest in a good everyday palette and is ready for on the go, definitely get this. This is perfect for going anywhere. You'll definitely not regret getting this. It's amazing. The next things are their lip glosses, and I have 4 shades. I used Glam Taupe in this video, and I really like this one. I have a couple of other shades of their lip glosses, but these are super duper moisturizing. They feel amazing on your lips. They're a little bit sticky, but not bad. Like, it doesn't feel sticky on your lips, it's just like whenever you try to take it off, it's a little bit sticky. But other than that, they're really moisturizing and they feel really nice on your lips, and I really like them. And I highly suggest them because they come in so many different shades and they're beautiful. I'm obsessed with them. So that is about all for this video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I would love to have you here on my channel, and also, if you guys have any video requests for me, please let me know down below or DM me on Instagram or comment them on my Instagram posts. I'm very active on Instagram, so if you're not following that, if you didn't come from that, you're not following it, please go follow it. The link is in the description, as are all of my other social media accounts. I hope you all have an amazing day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. I really think you should.